Hello everyone, today we will be discussing carry forward choices. By the end of this video, you will understand what carry forward choices is and how to use it in your survey. Carry forward choices is a feature that allows you to copy specific answer choices from one question and bring them into a future question in your survey. This is very useful when you want to learn more about the hierarchy among popular items in your product catalog. For example, if you display a long list of items in one question and have the respondent choose their 5 favorite items, you can then use carry forward choices to have the respondent rank these 5 items in the next question. On a question with carry forward choices, you can also add additional choices that are not present in the question you are carrying from. This way, the respondent has the opportunity to add an answer you may have missed. Now that we understand what the carry forward choices feature does, let's head over to our survey builder and see this feature in action. For this survey, I want to know the respondent's top 3 favorite colors, and I want to know how they rank among themselves. I also want to give the respondent the opportunity to add an extra color if they choose to. We'll begin by adding a few more choices to this question here and change the question text to let the respondent know to choose their top 3 favorite colors. Now we can add a new rank order question and add a descriptive title that lets the respondent know to rank these colors. After that's done, let's scroll down and click Carry Forward Choices on the left-hand side. In this case, we want to choose the Selected Choices option, but we also have the ability to choose the other subsets if we ever need to. Once we click Confirm, the Carry Forward Choices will appear on the new question. As we can see here, the number of choices is currently set at 0, but we want to raise it to 1 to add this other option for the respondent. Now let's allow text entry on this choice and let the respondent choose if they want to fill it out. We can also reorganize their choices by setting up advanced randomization. Before we go, let's preview the survey and make sure everything is working as expected. As we can see, the chosen options are displayed and we have an open text option. And that's it. Thank you for learning about carry forward choices with me today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or make a post on the Experience community. I hope to see you there.